I'm Tom Barron from Proximity Learning, and this is Canvas in a Minute. We are looking at some of the grading features today. So right now, you're on one of your course's homepage. You're going to come over here to the left and click on Grades. Now, your gradebook will probably take a lot of time to load. I've blocked out student names here for their privacy. There's a few things you can do to help your gradebook load faster and be a bit more efficient. First, you're going to click View. That will drop down a bar like this, and you want to make sure Unpublished Assignments is unchecked because you don't want to see anything that's in the future that you don't have to deal with yet, or that your class simply isn't going to cover. So you can click on this to make sure it's unchecked. So now if we click on View again, you see that's unchecked. That's the first step. Second thing is you want to go into Filters, and you want to have these two checked. So I'm going to check Grading Periods, and I'm going to check Modules. Now, once you have those checked, you can see up top here, you can filter out by different grading periods. So here's the second 9 weeks. Maybe I want to change this to all grading periods. So it shows up everything from the beginning of the year. Maybe you want to do just, whatever quarter you're working on, you can do that. So now you see, all the other grades from the beginning of the year. I can filter based on modules. So, maybe we've moved on to module 1, or, my class, for example, we're on module 4. We've gone from 1 to 4, 2 and 3 we're doing later. So I'll click on module 4 that focuses just on that. So that's a good way to filter out some of those things you don't need to see. The last thing you can do, if you click on View again and Arrange By, you can decide which order you want your assignments to appear in. I prefer oldest to newest, so anything that needs grading is going to be to the right. You could do newest to oldest, however you prefer, that's up to you. Great, I hope that helped you today. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.